Hi, it's Miss Nancy from the Kansas Children's Discovery Center, Discovery at Home, and every toddler needs a little music in his life. So why not have a toddler kazoo? So I would imagine you have a little of this or a little of that. Toilet paper tubes, could be paper towel holders. I couldn't find these when I was making my giant kazoos, so I just took a piece of paper and I rolled it up and I put tape on 3 places. Now, kazoos make sounds because of vibration. So in order to make that sound, it needs 3 things. It needs us because we're the vibration. It needs a traveling place to travel the sound travel through, like this tube, and it needs a receiver, which is our ear. So if you have those 3 things, you can make a kazoo and make sound. Now, another thing I did not have, which most people use, is wax paper. I had parchment paper, so I used parchment paper. So this should tell you, if you've got recycled things, experiment, see what happens. So you're gonna take your wax paper, parchment paper, you're gonna crinkle it over the end, and then you're gonna wrap it tightly with rubber bands. This is key. You want that vibration, but you're gonna need a little bit of room for the wax paper to vibrate. So if you're not getting sound, make sure that your rubber band is not too close to the edge and there's a little wiggle room for the vibration to occur. Now you just have to make noises. You can start off with the do-do-do or da-da-da. I prefer ha-ha-ha-ha. Are you ready? Make the O like okay, and that's gonna protect your tube and your mouth and make it a little longer. You ready? Here we go. What do you think? Now, you can vary this activity by making different size instruments, or have your whole family make one, have a parade that will announce bath, book, and bedtime. What's better than that? Or, if it's the middle of the day, it's not quite time for bedtime, and you're getting a little noisy, go have a parade for the neighbors. Your mom would love that. Okay, are you ready for the big final? Here we go. Make the okay. Here we go. Da da da! Here we go. This is another Discovery at Home with Kansas Children's Discovery Center. See you again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you to our friends at Sunflower Health Plan for your generous support of Discovery at